Health advocates, it's Dr. Preston here with Beachside Naturopathic Clinic, and we're talking about adrenal fatigue. These are kind of some stressful times, and first and foremost, I hope that you are just learning to be grateful in the moment, be with your friends, your family, and your community. But what is happening to the body? What is that stress response we feel? That's usually caused by a hormone called cortisol, and it's secreted from our adrenal glands. So we all hear adrenaline. That is similar to what's being secreted from your adrenal glands. And that puts us in that fight or flight. So fight or flight is what we feel when we're stressed. Our heart rate goes up, our blood pressure goes up, we start sweating, our eyes dilate, and actually our digestive system shuts down. We want blood going to our muscles, not our gut. Our blood sugar goes up because now we're going to need energy. So all this is happening most of the time when we're sitting and not running from the bear and getting our blood pressure, putting it to work. So how we can look at your adrenal glands is through a saliva test. You can do a 24-hour urine, but that allows us to accurately see what cortisol is doing in a 24-hour cycle. So there's definitely a pattern, something called circadian rhythm, that our body follows. So cortisol is high in the morning. That's when we need to get up. So that's literally what's waking us out of bed. But then it should go down in the afternoon, the evening when we're getting ready to go to bed. And you better bet most of us are flip-flopped. So we're low in the morning and we're high at night. So the greatest tool for that is definitely adrenal support through herbs and vitamins and diet. And you want to know what your cortisol is doing, because that does dictate what herbs, what treatment would be ideal for you, because maybe your cortisol is completely flat, what we call kind of a stage 3 adrenal exhaustion. So you may need more aggressive treatments, but the symptoms can be the same: fatigue, anxiety, depression, all signs that your blood sugar is all erratic, your brain is starving, and irregular cycles, chronic fatigue, all this, the symptoms kind of never the same sense. So you had a surgery or an illness and just never came back from that. So that's often adrenal fatigue, because those were stressful events and it was kind of your tipping point. So definitely looking into that and treating that with natural therapies is really ideal and really effective. So I hope you've learned a little bit about that. We're doing a discount right now on our adrenal testing. That's $129, and we can find out what's going on with your cortisol, your poor little adrenal glands. But lots of love, and hope you guys are well, and we'll talk next week. Bye.